which the reply is come for the charts for which I have ordered. So this is the reply, ADS reply, save it. So I'll save it on desktop. I've already saved it, that's why it is saving. Yes. And this is for ACDIS. These files, order detail like this. This I'll save it on desktop. It is for ACDIS. So how I do is, go to computer pen drive. Here I will save folder permits for Haifa. Okay, and in this I will copy paste everything. Actually I need only this folder, AVCS products, so I can copy paste everything of this, so doesn't matter. This, so this file which I have created, this is for ACDIS. Okay, this permits for Haifa, this is for ACDIS. And for eNavigator I have ADS reply. So go to tools, apply updates. Okay, apply update, select this ADS reply, click open. That's it. All the charts which you have requested will come. I'm not doing because I've already done it. So that's it. Take out the pen drive. Now go to type this to apply the permits. Go exit. Okay. ENC. Sometimes it doesn't work. So click again. ENC. Click OK. Okay. Now to apply the permits, here we have to go import cell permit. Okay, and select the pen drive. Open it. Here we have permits for Haifa, AVCS products, permits. This is for backup computer, master computer, but we can use any file, so it doesn't matter. But I have to select this, click on this. Okay, now I can click OK. All my charts which are there are updated. Now in this option, okay, I'll click OK, exit. I can check, go to navigation planning mode again, then go to chart, ENC update report. I've select the root filter option, basically for root what charts are updated, what charts are not. And this I can check actually till week 30 my ENCs are updated. So basically it says not updated 2 charts. Here I can check all the charts expiry date except for May. These 2 charts, all charts are expiring after August. So this is okay. Here no action, renew. Basically renew is for those charts which are expiring within the end of the month. So PR1 renew. Rest all renew, no action. These 2 charts are to be ordered. Actually these 2 charts, GB120M4 and this chart is not in my route, but it is still showing it because there is a circular on it completely stating that these 2 things are different. It shows green boundaries where chart data actually exist, red where chart cell limit exist. So ACDIS selects this one till red part, and green boundary is actually where the chart is there. So eNavigator, it will only select this chart if my route is passing through this line. So there is a difference between how JRC calculator ENC cell and how eNavigator calculator cell. So that is why 2 cells are remaining. So these are not in my route, so I'm not ordering them. So I don't need to run the base CD also for here. Otherwise I would have required to run base CDs. For those charts it would have shown to be installed. तो यहाँ पे मेरा जहाज ऑलरेडी गया हुआ है, शिप गया हुआ है, तो इसके लिए ये सेल्स मेरे में ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल है मेरे शिप पे एक्टिस पे, तो इसके लिए रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है। वरना यहाँ पे आता टू बी इंस्टॉल टू बी। अगर मैं कहीं नई लोकेशन पे जा रहा हूँ तो मुझे नए परमिट आएंगे जो कि मैंने कभी ओपन नहीं किए हैं एक्टिस में, तो उनके लिए उनकी एक्सपायरी डेट आ जाएगी, बट स्टिल इट विल बी शोइंग एक्शन में टू बी इंस्टॉल एट दैट टाइम। आई हैव टू मतलब for expiry date will be there, so the cells will be valid, but I have to install base CD again. So now there's no need. Now I just have to apply for my weekly updates. Same procedures to be done on the other address also. Go to tools option. For permits we select here import cell permit. For applying weekly update or running base CD, we have to go open till week. So week 31 I have to apply. That is my new week. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, tools option. Now I will also apply advanced AIO week 31 AIO. It is showing here error because it is already applied. You can see. Okay, here it is not showing. Okay. These are already applied. Okay, exit. I can go back to my navigation. I can load my route. That's it.